and tries until he gets success. So failure is not the opposite of success. It is always a part of success. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Well, okay. Now I'm going to start with the topic name. What was the last topic? We studied quadrilateral, I think so. First, we studied point, line segment, line, rays, intersecting lines, parallel lines, then curves. In curves, we studied open curves, closed curve. We studied polygons, in that vertices, sides, and diagonals. Then we studied angles. In angles, vertex, side arms, and interior point, exterior point, right? Then we studied triangles. Triangles શું ભણ્યા તો કે sides, vertices and angles. We studied in our last lecture quadrilateral, if you do remember. In that
Yes,
we
sir.
studied side, vertices, angles, adjacent side, adjacent angles, opposite side, opposite angles. Now we are in the topic name circle. So I'm going to start with the new topic name circle. Sure. Class 6, chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas and introduction. Okay, boys. Now we are in the
Yes, sir.
part
Yes,
of
sir.
circle. 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 In circle, we have to study center. We have to study radius. We have to study diameter. Then we have to study chord. Then we have to study arc. Then we have to study sector. We have to study segment. Any doubt here? These are the topics what we have to follow here. Center, radius, diameter, chord, arc, sector, segment. Okay? Now,
Okay, sir.
coming back to our part, I can say this is circle, right? Am I
Yes, sir.
correct or wrong? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, how do we form a circle? Can anyone tell me? A circle તો થયું એકદમ perfect round છે. How can we say that this is a circle? How can a circle be formed? Can anyone tell me?
No, sir.
Can I say a circle can be formed with the help of center point? With the help of taking center point and with the help of taking rounder and pencil. If this is bold dot, આ બહુ વધારે પૂરતું છે, but અહીંયા તમે રાઉન્ડરનો નીપ રાખો and you drag your pencil around, you will form a circle. If I give a name O here, so point O is the center of a circle. What can be written here? Point O is a center of a circle. Any doubt? Center is what? Point O. What do you mean by center? It's a point from
Point
where
O.
from where we formed a circle. It's a point from where we formed a circle. Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Now, what do you mean by radius?
Sir, radius means it is full. So its half is called radius.
Radius means a line. See, I'm reading it. A line starting from the center point of the circle, okay, and its end to the end of the circle. Is that clear?
Yes,
बाहर
sir.
निकली गई थी थोड़ी, but not. See, what is the radius? The line which starts from the center of the circle and which ends to the end of the circle is known as
Radius.
radius. If I give name here as OA, sorry. Okay. So I can say, what is the radius of a circle? So I can say line OA is a radius of a circle. Line OA is a line segment OA is a radius of a circle. Are you getting my point? Boys? समझाई છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. સમજાઈ જ ને?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you mean by diameter? Who will tell me what do you mean by diameter?
Sir, diameter means the full line in the center.
Very good. You are related to your answer. A line, see, I'm reading the definition. A line starting from one end of the circle, okay, and which pass through the center point of the circle, which pass through the center point of the circle and which ends through the other end of the circle, which ends through the other end of the circle, okay, is known as diameter. Is known as diameter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
So again I am saying diameter is a line starting from one end point of the circle which passes through the center of the circle and which ends to the other end of the circle is known as diameter. If I give name B and C, what is the diameter of the circle?
What, sir?
Line. What is the diameter of the circle in this?
Sir, the line from the one end passing through
એ
the
ભાઈ નામ
center.
જ આપવાના છે ખાલી diameter of the
Sir,
circle
point
is
B and
BC.
point C. BC.
Point B ને point C નો આવે, point નથી પૂછતા કોઈ, line BC આવે. શું આવે? What is written here? મોહમ્મદ સર શું લખ્યું છે? Line BC is the diameter of the circle. Now, radius is what? Radius or radius. Can I say it is the half of diameter? Diameter divided by 2.
Yes,
આ
sir.
હાફ રેડિયસ થશે અને બીજું હાફ પણ રેડિયસ થશે. Diameter
sir.
means what? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. બે વખત રેડિયસ ને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો કે બે વાર એડ કરો તો એક ડાયામીટર ફોર્મ થાય. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes,
Diameter means what?
Sir,
Double
right,
the
sir.
radius. Diameter means if this is radius, if I form a line here, this will be known as diameter. સમજાય છે? Center point means what? It is exact in center. This is exactly in the center of the circle. So from the center, if the half line is forming, the other half is known as another radius. So two radius will become one diameter. Are you getting? And if you want to say radius, then diameter નું અડધું થાય radius. Any doubt with this, boys?
No, sir. No, sir.
So can I write here there are two more radius what is formed here? What are the two other radius what we can see? OB and
Sir, OD. OD.
OD ક્યાં છે? D ક્યાં આવ્યો જ છે હજી? Can I say OB is another radius and OC is the another radius here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય
Yes,
છે?
sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now who will tell me what do you mean by chord? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by chord?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Now chord is, see, chord is always a line which starts from one end point and which ends to the other end of the circle. Chord કોને કહેવાશે? It can be anywhere, anything. સમજાઈ ગયું કે નહીં? Any chord. Diameter also will be known as chord. Diameter is always the longest chord of the circle. આટલું યાદ રાખજો. Not every line starting
Yes,
from
sir.
one end to end it to the other end is known as diameter. બધી લાઈન ને આપણે diameter ના કહી શકાય, but બધી lines ને આપણે chord જરૂર કહી શકાય. Are you getting? Are you getting my
Yes.
point? Chord can be anywhere starting from one line of the circle, one end of the circle which ends to the other end of the circle is known as chord. And diameter is also known as longest chord of the circle because diameter ક્યાંથી start થાય છે? From one end of the circle and its end to the other end of the circle. So ગમે તે direction માં chord હોઈ શકે. Is that clear? Are you getting
Yes,
my
sir.
point, boys? So chord can be in any direction. We cannot make out, but as a line starting from one end of the circle which ends to the other end of the circle is known as chord. Is that clear?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, the chord can be start from any direction to any direction.
Any direction to any direction, we don't have to worry about it, but we have to check whether one line is starting from one end point and ending to the end of the circle to the other point. Yes, that means I can say this is the chord of the circle. Cross hoy શકે, ઊભી હોઈ શકે, આડું હોઈ શકે. We can take in any direction. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So if I give this point name as D, okay, this point is our D. So can I say CD is the chord of the circle?
Yes, sir.
Line CD
Yes,
is
sir.
the chord of the circle.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? Now, if I take two different points here, arc, for doing arc, if I take here this point here and this point, okay, if I say from this point, I will give a name as E, and this point as F. So if I ask you what is the arc of the circle, arc can be this also, C to D. This is also known as arc. B to A is also known as arc. But if differently it is given, we can say that EF is the arc of the circle. શું છે? EF શું છે?
Arc
EF
of the circle.
arc of the circle. Very good. Now EF is the arc of the circle. Now what is the symbol of arc? Line segment to khabar hai. If I want to write line segment, we will write like this, OA, right? OA is the line segment. If I want
Yes,
to
sir.
write line, we will write line like this, OA is the line. If I want to write ray, I will write ray like this, OA is the ray of the circle. But if I want to write arc, how will I write? The symbol is like this, arc. OA is the arc of the circle. Are you getting my point? Arc માં શું કરશું?
Yes, sir.
ઉપર થોડું bend line કરશું. Are you getting? Like this. EF is the arc of the circle. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Sure, no doubt. Party.
Sir, no doubt.
Yes, sir, sure.
Sir, sure.
Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I joint
Sir,
E to
sir,
O
Aman Goda is
and
the doubt.
F to O, so can I say that? Can I say that EO, that means OE and OF, are the another two radius what we got in the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Can I say like that?
Yes, sir.
OE, sorry. OE and OF is the another two radius of the circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
समझाई છે बच्चा पार्टी के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, what do you mean by sector? What do you mean by sector? Now, can I see here that I formed two another radius and there is one area forming named EOF. EOF. Area forming EOF. Can you see here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
જે આર્ક હોય ને આર્ક એના ઉપરથી જે એરિયા ફોર્મ થયો હોય ને જે
Yes,
આર્ક
sir.
ઉપરથી એરિયા ફોર્મ થાય છે ને
Sir, it is
Yes.
called sector.
that is known as sector of the circle. That is known as sector of the circle. Understood, bachcha party?
Yes, sir, understood.
Any doubt here?
No, sir, no
No,
doubt.
sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
So you are cleared with the sector point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what do you mean by segment? Segment means
Yes,
the curved and a chord. Chord સાથે જે curve હોય ને, that is known as segment of the circle. So I can say segment of the circle is
CD.
DC, or you can write CD. Both are correct. Any doubt? This is the segment of
No,
the
sir.
circle. Any doubt with this, boys?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
So you are cleared with the center point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
You are
clear.
cleared with the radius of the circles? What do you mean by radius
Yes.
of the circle? The line
Sir,
which is starting from the center point of the circle and which ends to the end of the circle. So that half line is known as radius of a circle. Is that clear?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
clear.
What is diameter of the circle? Diameter
Sir,
of a circle is a line starting from one end point of the circle which passes through the center of the circle, center point of the circle, and which ends to the other end of the circle is known as diameter. Understood? Then chord. Chord center point ઉપરથી જ ખાલી ન જાય. Chord can be from anywhere to anywhere. But yeah, diameter itself is known as the longest chord of the circle. Again, I am repeating. Why? Because the definition of the chord is a line starting from one end point of the circle which ends to the other end point of the circle. It can be in any direction. કોઈ પણ ડિરેક્શનમાં હોઈ શકે. No need to worry about anything. એક સાઈડથી ચાલુ થઈને બીજી સાઈડ પૂરી થતી લાઈનને શું કહેવાય? Chord. Are you getting my point? Whether it
Yes,
pass
sir.
through the center point, whether it do not pass through the center point, we don't care. Are you getting? If the line is starting from one end point, ending to the other end point, forming a straight line, that means it is a chord. The diameter is always said to be the longest chord of the circle. If this line is a diameter, for example, then DA will be the longest chord of the circle. Are you getting my point? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what is arc of the circle? Arc is the two name which is given EF. So I can say EF is the arc of the circle. Okay. Now, after joining two more radius from the center point of that arc, that we are getting as a sector. Sector is EOF, or you can say FOE. Both are correct. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And what do you mean by segment? Segment is the arc which formed through chord of the circle. Chord હોય ને chord જે એનાથી જે arc form થતો હોય ને, that is known as segment of the circle. That whole region, અંદરના ભાગના આખાને શું કહેવાય? Segment. આખાને આને શું કહેવાય? Sector. Understood? Any doubt with this?
No,
No,
sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
બોલો.
Sir, chord will like a straight only or curve?
આ chord straight છે?
Yes, sir.
આ straight છે?
And
હા, yeah,
no,
straight line will be there. Yes. Curved આવી રીતે નહીં હોય કોઈ દિવસ અંદર. This is not known as chord. અંદર કાંઈ આવું કાંઈ હશે જ નહીં. રાઉન્ડ ફિગર ને ક્રોસ ફિગર ને એવું કાંઈ નહીં હોય. It will be always a straight line like this. It will be always a straight line like this. Are you getting? But it can be in any direction in the circle. Circle છે, ગમે તે directionમાં હોઈ શકે. Are you getting?
yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? But it will be a straight line. Okay? Straight line. It will be a straight line. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Any doubt with this?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, so we studied how many points, boys? We studied circle, center, radius, diameter, chord, arc, sector, and segment. With the help of this topic, we have completed our chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
In
sure.
chapter number 4, this all points related to this will be the questions of our part, and we have to solve the rest of the sums. And it will be very easy if you are aware the explanation what I explain you in the class. If you are aware of that, you are absolutely done with this chapter. Okay? Chalo, let us start with exercise 4.1. Very easy exercise, huh? Very easy. Chalo, use the figure to name. Use the figure to name 5 point, a line, 4 rays, 5 line segment. This is the figure what we got. We have to give what? We have to give 5 points. What are the points here?
Sir, point D, point E, point O, point C, and point B.
Very good. Point P, point E, point O, point B, point C. Any doubt here? These are the 5
No,
sir, no
points
doubt.
of our answer. Diagram આપેલો છે. We have to study the diagram. Check here. Check here the answer. Point O, point B, point C, point D, point E. Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
Very good. Now, what do you mean by a line? How many
sir,
lines are
lines
there?
mean sir, one.
સૌથી
Sir,
પહેલા હું એમ
line.
કહી શકું કે line, I can say line DB, T and
Yes,
B.
sir.
Okay, chalo. We forget about that. Forget about
DE
B.
also, sir.
Can I say that
DE
point
also.
DO is one line?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now forget
And
about
sir,
O
O
also.
and C.
Can I say point DE also one line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Chalo. Forget about
And
D.
sir, point O
Can I
and
say
C is also a line.
point OE is one line?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? Forget
Yes, sir.
about this.
Yes.
O also. Chalo. Can I say EB is also one line?
Yes, sir.
થઈ ગઈ 4 line. Point O is the
And sir,
center.
O and C is also a line.
O and C is not a line, it's a ray. Line
Yes,
છે
sir.
આ? Line જાય છે? No. It's a ray of the circle. Sorry, of the diagram. Have you understood? There are more than 5 lines what we are forming here. Okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
we have to give a line. That means 1 or 2 line we can give. No need to worry for that. Okay? So can we give any name? Can I say DB is one line? Can I say DE is one line? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
OE and OB is the another line. There are only 1 or 2 lines we can give. No need to worry. How many lines are there? They are not asking. Give me the name of the line. So I gave two name of the lines. Okay? Instead of one, I gave 2 names.
Sir, DO.
Yes, DO also is correct. DB also is correct. DE also is correct. OB is also correct. OE is also correct. BE is also correct. There are many lines which is forming in the single line. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
line
sir.
no symbol કેવી રીતનો સર મૂક્યો છે? Don't forget to keep the symbols. Huh? Now,
Yes, sir.
4 rays. What are the rays here? Can I say OC is one ray?
OC, yes, sir.
Can I say OB
Then
is
OB.
one ray? Can I say
Yes.
OE is one ray?
Yes, sir.
Can I say OD is one ray?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
થઈ ગઈ રે 4
Yes, sir.
From point O, OC is one ray, then OB is one ray, OE and OD.
OD.
Understood? બચ્ચા પાટી
Yes, sir.
રેનો
Yes, sir.
સિમ્બોલ કેવી રીતનો છે? Starting from one end point and it reflected to the infinite. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, 5 line segment.
Sir, first B to D.
I need 5 line segment. Chalo. I can say BD, I can take as a line. D ne D. DB to line છે. ચલો. End point છે. Okay. It is the name of the line. Can I say DE is one line segment?
Yes, sir.
Can I say DO is one line segment?
Yes, sir.
Can I say EO is one line segment?
Yes, sir.
Can I say EB
Yes,
is
sir.
one line segment?
Yes, sir.
Can I say OB is one line segment and OC is one line segment? થઈ ગઈ five lines.
Yes, sir.
થઈ ગઈ five line segments.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
DE is one line segment. DO is one line segment. EO is one line segment. EB is another. OB and OC. Is that all clear? They need only five, so I can write only five here. વધારે કાંઈ આપવાનું નહીં. Line segment has only two endpoints. Line segment will be like this. Our answer is over. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
For sure, na bachcha party?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Okay, chalo. We will keep up till here. You all have to continue with question number 2 in our next lecture, okay? Our time is up right now. So
Okay, sir.
your homework is
Okay,
to
sir.
clear all the topics what we studied in the class at home one time by referring from your textbook and the PDF whatever you have with you. Make sure of it. You do not fail to have clear with all the topics. Okay? Bachcha party?
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. Do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. Enjoy your next 3 lectures. Have a nice time.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Khuda Hafiz, everyone.